I'm Thomas Farrugia, the CEO and founder of BetaBugs Limited. We're an insect genetics company which creates and distributes high-performance breeds of black soldier fly for the growing insects as feed sector. Climate change matters because it will affect the way we live. It will affect not only us, but our future generations, and puts humanity at risk in the long term, along with the rest of the planet. Scotland is contributing to insect protein, both at UK and global levels. We see Zero Waste Scotland encouraging the uptake of insect protein within Scotland, primarily through the use of food waste, and that will then create a local protein source, which can be used to feed Scottish aquaculture industry and agriculture industry. So there's a lot of scope here for a strong circular economy in Scotland. Scotland's always been very innovative and progressive, and I think will lead the way in driving this. At the same time, we've got, as a company ourselves, we're working with the Roslin Institute, which is a Centre of Excellence in Genetics. And that's also leveraging Scotland's strengths in the life sciences and the agricultural sciences to create change in a new industry. Scotland's building a lot and constantly builds a lot of innovation and creates a thriving ecosystem for startups to build in, and those startups are addressing climate change as well. So I'd say Scotland's really an excellent place for creating the right conditions for insect farming, both within the UK and further afield. I would say climate change is happening. We don't need more evidence. If anything, we need to be informing ourselves more about how fast can we pull the carbon dioxide out of the system, rather than looking for more evidence to prove it's happening. We need to really see how we can make this happen. Well, remove carbon dioxide and slow down climate change faster. Really having a clear plan of action and executing on that plan afterwards. So laying it out and then going and doing it, and a plan which is ambitious and challenges us as a human race to take out carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and mitigate against global warming.